Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Today we have bought probably children's favorite recipe, chocolate. For that, first we are going to put some what was that? Yeah, milk powder and then icing sugar and cocoa powder in there and mix it all together. Keep it aside. It's very easy. Then we're going to put 2 cups of water and then put a glass bowl on top. And then we are going to put some coconut oil. This is coconut oil, and then you remember our mixture of that icing sugar, milk powder and cocoa powder. We are going to put some of that mixture and mix it with the coconut oil. Just like this. Mix properly, and then we are going to put some more of that mixture, and then we're going to mix it more. We need to mix it slowly and keep on adding a little bit by bit. We need to make a proper consistency of the powder of the batter, and then we are going to mix more of our that powder and add more of our powder, and then mix. Keep mixing. We're mixing using a spatula, and then our batter is perfectly ready. This, and then you can take it out, and then this is how our batter should be. Then we have our mold in here, different cute little shapes, flowers, stars, heart. I love this mold. We bought it a few days ago. And then we can put our chocolate mixtures in there, fill all the gaps of the molds, and then we are going to put a 1-piece cashew in there and then fill it rest. Yes, and then put some more of the mixture. Just like this, we have filled the mold, and then keep it in the refrigerator for 5 to 6 hours, and then we can just take it out like this. It looks so good, and it was really good. The store-bought chocolates are so yummy. This was not bad, but not as tasty as the store-bought ones. Those are really good, but you can give it a go. Give it a try. Maybe your one will be more yummy. And well, that's all for this video. I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye. Ma salama.